Hello and welcome. This is a quick review for this LED video light. It's a professional, cost-effective video light from Vision. As you can see, it goes from 2700K to 8500K, and it has an internal battery 3.8 volt at 5000 milliamp per hour, and it also supports RGB lighting. And this is how it looks. It has a stand, a movable stand, and the version is R70 RGB LED video light, and you can easily purchase it from the link in the video description. And in here you can see the brand, and you can see how it can be mounted. It has a metallic structure and it supports RGB. So let's do a quick review. As you can see, the packaging, it looks neat and it's a little bit heavy because it's metallic. Now this is the video light. Let's remove it from the package. Now we will leave the video light review to the end. Let's see what's inside the package. As you can see, this is a holder, and in here we have two things. Let's take a quick look. Now this one is not like it's only for sticking the catalog, and I think it's like a manual, but no need for it. And this, if you want to stick the light to a certain position. We will take a quick look in a minute. Now these are the two bags. Let me show you what are these. As you can see, a metallic holder in case you decided to place this. Okay, you can see it has magnetic, a very good magnetic mount. Now you can stick it on any direction, here, 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 and here. So depending on your setup, let's stick it here. As you can see. Now you can use this to make these or remove them if you don't want them, and you can easily, as you can see, rotate it. I will show you that in a minute. Now let's see the other thing, which is the Type-C cable. Now this is a USB to Type-C cable for charging or turning the power on. As you can see here, we have a USB Type-C, which is better than the regular USB, and it comes with the package. So it's a nice touch because you don't have to buy it. Now you can also add this mount in here. So let's remove it from here and place it here. As you can see, it has more than one option, which is good because it gives you a lot of flexibility. Now you can also take this light, as you can see in here, and here we have a socket that we can attach to our stand. You can see the different scenarios that you can use this in, and all of this is metallic. Plus it is magnetic, so you can attach it anywhere. You can see how good is the magnetic. Now regarding the light itself, on the left side here, we have the function, we have the mode, we have the dim, which would increase or decrease the dim, and we have the on off button. Again, here we have a display, and this is the branding. Now let's press the on button. You can see now we have 8500K at 100%. Now if we played with the dim, we can decrease, as you can see, the dim, which is the percentage here. You can go all the way down to 0, depending on how strong do you want the light to be. Now this is the white light. Now if you want, you can also play with the GM values to change the color. As you can see, it gives you a wide range of colors, and you can play with the dim to change the intensity of the color itself. Now I don't want to like rotate it because it will break the video. Now this is the battery level and this is the CCT. Now we still have the 8500K. Now you can click on the M to change the mode. As you can see, long press on the M can change the mode from the hue and saturation. Now you can play with these to change the RGB color. Here you can change them, and this can help you change, as you can see, the coloring. The RGB color is intense. This is the cup car flashlight, red and blue if you want it for a video or something. And this is me changing, and as you can see, it's turning on and off. So you have a wide range of colors. I will rotate it and show you the dim light. Okay, as you can see, and here you can change the coloring. Now you are seeing the lids because it's on video, but when you place it to light an object, as you can see, it has a really strong lighting, even though I have it on 4%. Now if I increased it, you can see everything is turning blue or green or red, and you can change the mode depending on what you are looking for. This is the white light. Now it's robust. I bought it because it's like a portable light that you can move with you anywhere, and this is what I was looking for. Again, the link is in the video description. It's a very professional light and at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.